because you guys are the only dealer in Malaysia currently, so that's why I choose Efxco.
I think the environment here is pretty cozy, very comfortable, and the location is easy to find. And it's not too cold here, which is important for me.
Asrul,
Yeah, Azrul.
he's very patient.
Very patient,
Yeah.
and he's very friendly. Yeah, and he's very professional.
It was good. Now I know how to use Adobe Illustrator. I mean, I need to practice more, but okay. Yes,
Oh,
definitely.
definitely.
Yeah.
I will go for
Photoshop.
Photoshop, yeah, which is very important,
Yeah,
I think.
it's a good combination for both Illustrator
Yes.
and Photoshop.
Yep, in
Yep.
fact, actually my colleague came here, she recommended to me, so here I am, and I'm going to recommend to my friends as well.
Unless kalau you guys ada referral, I will promote more.
Okay, off the record. No, I haven't used Illustrator before, and pretty much I think the instructor already covered what we should learn, and pretty useful in terms of making posters and everything else.
I think we pretty much covered everything, but in terms of schedule in the one that you've given us, we didn't follow what exactly thing
Yeah.
and
Yes,
time
yes.
to. That's the only things that we must.
Here
Yeah.
in the class, yeah. Thanks. We didn't really look at the camera. Not at all.
You should sit there, okay?